Hi, my name is Jason Erdreich. I'm the Education Director for Makera, and I'm here at IFA Berlin 2025, and we have some really exciting things happening here, featuring our brand new Makera Z1 prototype, our smallest desktop CNC machine. So all of our desktop CNC machines are designed to work with any material, which means that you start with a raw piece of material, like a piece of aluminum, a piece of wood, and these desktop CNCs actually cut material away to create your finished product. And we're really excited for the Z1 because it's designed to fit in an office, a home, a school. It's compact, it's lightweight, it's designed to be an affordable entry-level CNC for any maker, and it's coming to Kickstarter in October this fall of this year, and we're super excited to see what everyone makes with it. So here's another Z1 prototype at the floor of IFA, and this one's actually running. So we have a project in here right now, and even though I'm standing next to it, it's still a very quiet machine. And it's also even connected to the Makera Cyclone dust collector, which is a HEPA filtration dust collection system. So all of the dust, any type of fumes that you might have if you're using our optional laser engravers, are all safely filtered through this system, and it connects to any of our CNC machines. And in here you can see that we're cutting a really cool, very detailed project on the floor of IFA, a photo relief that was actually generated from a photograph using AI tools built directly into our free CAM software that's available for all of our users. So the Carvera Air is already out. This was actually a Kickstarter back in 2024, and it was successfully funded and is now built on sale globally. The Carvera Air is a little bit bigger than the Makera Z1, but can still work with any materials, and it's actually equipped with a 4th axis module. And what that does is it rotates the material around. So you start with your solid block of material, it's rotated as it's being cut, and that lets you make really complex 3-dimensional geometric figures. And again, out of epoxy, which is quite soft, even to your harder materials like aluminum, brass, copper. So anything that you want to create can be done with these machines. And now we're next to the Carvera, which was our first machine. It was a Kickstarter way back in 2022. It's definitely the biggest machine, but also offers the most industrial performance. That's because it has an automatic tool changer, which will actually grab the bits and select the cutting tools totally automatically while it's cutting and machining your parts. You can see in here that we're actually cutting a solid piece of aluminum, which is definitely one of our users' favorite materials to work with, because if you're used to like a 3D printer and everything's plastic, once you can venture into aluminum, you're not just making prototypes, you're making parts that you really want to use and interact with every single day. But even though this is the biggest and the most professional machine, all of our CNCs work with the same free, easy-to-use software. They all calibrate and level themselves, so that way you can just focus on what you want to create, and the machine does everything else.